What's up, guys? This is Matt again, and in this video we're going to do another unboxing or unwrapping or whatever you want to call it, opening of Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Alright, so here we actually have two packages, right? So in my previous video I teased that I was going to get another package from Japan. Here it is, straight from Tokyo, and I have another package here as well. So we're going to do this one first because I'm slightly embarrassed about this one because, well, you'll see why. But yeah, this is a purchase that I made a little bit on impulse a week or so ago off of eBay after talking to some other Dark Magician duelists like players on the group chat. So yeah, let's open this and I'll show you what it is. Yeah. All right. Okay, so you may be able to see so far, maybe through the bubble wrap. Yeah, so here we have 3 copies of Red Eyes Fusion, super rare. So now you might be able to guess or like understand why I feel a little embarrassed about this because, well, this last week, Brothers of Legend, the full card list was announced, and yeah, we're getting an ultra rare Red Eyes Fusion reprint. So I feel really silly that I bought these super rares, but whatever. I do have like multiple decks, so when I'll eventually get the playset of the ultra rare. That Red Eyes Fusion, those Red Eyes Fusion will go in my main Dark Magician deck. These supers will probably go in my Subterra deck, and then my commons maybe I'll just put in my Buster Blader deck, like whatever. Just let's. Ooh, these are the European print because they're like darker and thicker. And let's see if you can see the sheen there. Yeah, the Clash of Rebellions. It's a little blurry again. Yep, Clash of Rebellions. So pretty good condition, I'd say. Let me see, are these all European? They might all be European prints. Yeah, so very nice, much nicer than the commons, but alas, the ultra rares are coming out. So because the ultra rares got announced after I bought this, and it's funny thing, when I was buying this, I'm like, well, this card's been reprinted like 4 times. They've all been commons. Like, what are the odds we're gonna get a higher rarity reprint anytime soon? And then like a week later, we get it announced in Brothers of Legends. So joke's on me. This time, my Galaxy / Sorcerer Brain was not able to predict this. So let's go ahead and inner sleeve this. Yeah, this is gonna go straight into my Subterra deck. I feel like this might be slightly bent actually. Yeah, I mean the art and card itself is like decent, but I feel like there's a slight bend. So maybe not as near mint as you would think. Yeah, once I get them in sleeves, I think it'll be a little better. See there, there's a bend there. Yeah, that looks like it's from shuffling. Yeah, unfortunately, yeah, the conditions of these are not as nice, but as I would have hoped. But I think they'll be serviceable. Yeah, so slightly embarrassed that I bought these, but just wanted to show them off because they're still like nice cards, nonetheless. Just wish that, yeah, see that the bend there. Yeah, there's a minor bend, which is pretty unfortunate, and I think all of them have it. And not from transport either. I'm pretty sure this is from play. If I stack them on top of each other, can kind of see it a little bit more, but yeah, it definitely makes me look forward to my ultras. I don't know, maybe I'll sell these off or something now that I know the ultras are coming. Let me see if I can like unbend a little bit. Okay, well, yeah, definitely lost money from this because of like the price of these definitely went down since the announcement of the ultra rare reprints. So okay, so now let's get into the main thing I wanted to showcase, which is this other package I got from Japan. Very interesting. A lot of tape. Let's see if I can somehow get through this tape without just straight up tearing everything. Kind of hard to. There's a lot of tape on this. Okay. Okay. I was able to like open something on the side. Oh no, they taped the card inside this. That's kind of annoying. Ah, so much tape. Here we go. Just like slowly destroying this envelope from me. Please, if you're a card vendor, do not use so much tape. Like, this is completely unnecessary. Alright, here we go. Ooh, they put in a little Ziploc baggie. Alright, let's get rid of this nasty packaging. Alright, so as you can see, this is an OCG card. Alright, yeah, I think y'all are going to love this. I know I am. Alright, let's reveal. Oh, baby. This is a lot nicer than I expected. Okay. This is the money card. Let me see if I can get this to focus. Ghost Rare Dark Magician Girl in the OCG uncensored artwork. Oh, all right. I gotta take it out of this packaging here. What the hell is this packaging? Is it like laminated? How do you open this? Oh, it opens from the side. That's interesting. Okay, so it did come sleeved. I'm gonna transfer it to one of my own inner sleeves because it's a little tighter fit. That is a nice card. Ooh, yeah. So in the OCG they call this holographic rare. So let me transfer this over one sec. Ooh, oh my goodness, it's amazing. Yeah. So the Ghost Rare equivalent in the OCG is called holographic rare, and that is, look at. I mean, I feel bad in holding it out of its sleeve. I mean, it's a Dark Magician Girl. You gotta, sometimes you just gotta do it. Come on. Focus. Oh, I hate that this isn't focusing right. But yeah, you can kind of see the patterning, right? Oh, there it is. Let me put this on the sleeve. Wow, absolutely beautiful. And I feel like the text is, yeah, the text is not as long as the text in the other one. I'll show you in a bit, but like, yeah. Check this out. Ooh, look at this. It's every bit as gorgeous as I could have possibly imagined it. Like in person, it looks nicer. Well, let me turn off this monitor here so I can There's no reflections on it. Okay, here we go. Maybe the focus can be a little better. See that? The ghost. Very nice. Beautiful, beautiful. I don't know if you remember from my last video, but this is the spot I had for her, right? Before I slot her in, I just want to show the difference between the text boxes here. So here's the ultra rare one versus the ghost rare. Well, first of all, in the ghost rare one, looks like the attribute is holographic, but not the level, surprisingly. So you can kind of see in the attribute, right? If I do this, levels are not holographic. In ultra rare, it's not. Also, look at the text box here. It's like, yeah, they're definitely. This is definitely the newer card because of how small the text is. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Really wish this camera would learn to focus. Ooh, look at that. So damn nice. That's money right there. So yeah, I really wish I could run this in my locals. Although, I went to locals today and I saw a kid running an OCG card and he got away with it. So maybe I can get away with this. That's very tempting. I don't want to get disqualified by someone who's like, you can't run an OCG card, but this is just so nice. Look at this. So let me slide this one back here. Focus. Ooh, baby, yeah. So nice. Like, yeah. I mean, if you haven't seen a Ghost Ramp you can see it kind of has a 3D effect. See how the circle looks like it's clearly in the background, whereas she's in the foreground. Like, depending on the angle, yeah, it has like this 3D effect that no other card already has. That you can only, it's much easier to see when you're in person. Yeah, absolutely amazing. Worth every penny, definitely. And then I'm gonna go ahead and slide you in right here. And then my Ghost Rare, this is a slot from my Ghost Rare Dark Magician. So, and then I'll probably put the other. Well, this is the Lost Art Dark Magician Girl goes here. So, all right. So nice. Yeah. If you're an avid Dark Magician enjoyer, right? Not a fan. We're enjoyers. We're not fans. We're not fanatical, right? Pick this up. Pick up both of these. Like I talked about how like last video the OCG artwork was worth it, and the Ghost Rare even more so. It's just absolutely amazing. Yeah. I'm gonna have to. So I know, like, there's supposed to be allegedly supposed to be a Ghost Rare Dark Magician Girl next year in the 2022 Ghost from the Past, but it's gonna be the censored artwork. It's not gonna be this one. Like, and this is the best artwork by far. So, all right, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Like, gotta appreciate art. All right, later.